How to add a website shortcut to your Android home screen. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome. Simply open the website you want to add in your home screen. Then click on three dots on top right corner of your screen. In here, you'll find Add to Home Screen option below Translate and above Desktop Site. Click on Add to Home Screen. Then you will find this kind of screen pop up. Simply write the name, anything you want, and add. You can add automatically or simply drag it wherever you want. And after the shortcut is created, if you click on it, simply it will open the website. And this is how to add a website shortcut to your Android home screen. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.